Alright, what we got here are solar heater panels for water that someone has tossed out. And as you can see, this is a really good material, and what we're going to do today is cut off the ends and use the material as the ground cover for Violy's garden. And I'll show you the garden project and show you how these panels work. It's great material, great rubber material that can wick off water. Weeds cannot penetrate it, and this is some very, very, very tough material. So you'll see how this works in our garden today. Okay, I used a jigsaw to cut the pipes off of the solar panel, and what you're left here is with the solar panels that we're going to be putting in the backyard as a ground cover for our garden. And this is wonderful material, very durable, very lasting, no weeds can come through it. So that's what we're going to be doing next. Alright, the next step we have here is to take all these mini trees out, and then we're going to use these solar panels as the ground cover. When we're done with that, it's going to look similar to what we have right here. You see the ground cover is the same thing. And again, this is something that is great because it wicks off the water and it keeps out the weeds and grass. Okay, so here we are. The panels now are basically cut and sized. You have an area that will wick off the water, will keep weeds out and grasses, and will last for years and years to come. So that's what you can do with solar water heater panels. Okay, there you have it. Still working a few more plants, but as you can see, we now have an easy place to water, for the water to flow, and looks very nice. So that's it. Those are the things that you can do with solar water heater panels that someone tossed away. They're great coverings. They're the best ground coverings for plants anywhere. So have a nice day. Thank you for watching Violy's Home and Garden. This is the finished project. As you can see, it's clean, neat. The material is going to last indefinitely, take a lot of abuse. And so this, once the actual panel was cut from the ends, is what you wind up with. And what you're looking for is the kind that of panel that is all joined together. Otherwise it's useless and is a lot like spaghetti. And as you can see here, the panels can be adjusted. So you see the value in reusing these. And when you're driving around, you may see one of these. Grab them if you're a serious hobbyist when it comes to gardening, or even if you're not. This is a great, great ground cover. Thanks for watching, folks.